Meaning of investigative.
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 Investigative. The term investigative refers to the act of conducting or carrying out a systematic inquiry into a particular subject or event. It is often associated with processes aimed at uncovering new information or gathering evidence in order to solve a problem, answer a question, or make a decision. In general, investigative work involves careful analysis and attention to detail, as well as the use of various methods and techniques to gather and evaluate information. This term is commonly used in fields such as journalism, law enforcement, scientific research, and business analysis, among others.